Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome to the library. With the new school year starting, I just wanted to give you all a quick look at what our library is going to be doing this year. Here we go. First of all, I wanted to remind everybody about our hours. From Monday through Saturday, we're open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. During these hours, you can come in, check out books, do whatever needs done in the library. Sundays is our kind of weird days. Through the school year, we're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. to accommodate student use and that kind of thing. But during the summer, we are closed to the public on Sundays. This is because on Sundays, we use the time to go through the library to make sure everything is in order for the new school year. And we do allow tutors and students to come in and work in a quiet space. That's why we are closed to the public on Sundays. Our different services, we have so many things going on in the library. One thing we have is we have computer labs for public use. Anybody can come in and use the computer to do whatever they want. We've got printers available, all of that kind of stuff, so you can print out what you need and you can work on whatever you need to do or just use the computers for some personal time. We do also have study rooms available, so you can come in, and we prefer that you only use them for 30 minutes at a time. So you just come in, you check out a study room like you would check out a book. And you can go in and use it, and then when your 30 minutes are up, if no one else is waiting, you can renew the room. But if there are other people waiting, we do have to accommodate that. And so we go by a first come, first served basis. And so if you're in the study room, your 30 minutes is up, and then we have people waiting, we will have to ask you to leave, and we'll pop you back down to the bottom of the list if you still want to stay and use that room some more. We also have periodicals. We like to keep up to date on all of our newspapers and magazines. So you can come in and view the latest community newspapers, the latest popular magazines, all of that. We do also have both youth, adult, and student services. Our youth services are designed for anybody middle school aged and younger. These can be school help programs, just our children's section of the library, just basically services designed for the younger population. Our adult services are designed for anybody that is high school aged and older. We did go ahead and include the high schoolers in the adult services just because we know they're growing up and we know sometimes they don't like to be considered kids. So we've got all kinds of programs designed for adults and high schoolers as well. We also have student services. We can help you with your schoolwork. We can help you find a tutor. We can help you with all kinds of different things. Alright, this is just a sample activity schedule. We don't have one set up for the year just yet, but this is something that it might look like. On Mondays, we like to do a reading challenge day. On Mondays, you can come in, you can update what you've read for the weekend, you can find a new challenge to start, you can get your prizes from the challenge that you just completed, anything to do with your reading challenges. On Tuesdays at 6 o'clock, we start community services. Different community members will come in and talk about the services that they have to offer in the community. On Wednesdays, we do family movie night. We pick a family movie rated PG or lower, and it is free to come in and watch. We provide popcorn and a few other little snacks, so that's fun for the whole family. On Thursdays, we do a children's activity where the kids can come in. They will go into our youth services room, and we might do painting, we might do some other kind of craft, we might do a science experiment, and the parents can go upstairs, do their own library work that needs done, or we also allow parents to leave the building and come back and pick up their children when the activity is done. On Friday, we do adult education classes. This could be anything from information on GED classes to work, different kinds of work classes, really anything, but our Fridays we do reserve for adult education. On Saturdays, all day we do book club meetings. You can come in, reserve a time for your book club, join a new book club, just anything you need for your book clubs. And on Sunday, through the school year at 2 p.m., we like to do a family learning activity. This could be a science experiment for the whole family. It could be community services for the family. Just really anything family-oriented. And then, as I mentioned before, during the summer we are closed, but on Sundays we do accommodate for tutors to come in to help during the summer hours to help kids catch up. Alright guys, here's our contact us page. You can stop in and see us anytime. You can email us, you can call us, and you can visit our website. It's been so great showing you guys around the library. We'll talk to you later. Bye!